Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put YouTube videos on Microsoft Word. So at first just open up YouTube. In my case I'm open the YouTube on the Chrome browser. Then open any video. Now you have to copy the video link, and from here you can copy your YouTube video link and then go back and open up your Microsoft Word and then open up any document. From here just click on insert option. And on the media option you can find online videos. Just click here and give it a moment. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Now from here just put the cursor here, then paste your copied video link. After that click on insert option and give it a moment again, and that's it. You can see YouTube video has been added successfully, and you can change your YouTube video position, and from here you can resize your video frame and you can choose any size as you want. That's it. Now if you need to play the video, just click on play button and then click on play button again. Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and that's it. You can see the video is playing now. Also, if you want to add any video thumbnail, just select your video and then click on picture format tab. From here click on change picture option, which you can find on the adjust option. Then choose any option. If I select stock images, now from here choose any picture or image. If I select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see on the video thumbnail has been added successfully, and that is how you can put YouTube video on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.